Hi, good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
All right, you are now going to have a debate. So, who and your debate topic is English should be made an official language. So, who are for the discussions? Please raise your hands. Okay. Who are against the discussions? Please raise your hands. All right. So, your discussion will run for next some minutes, and the persons who will not participate in the discussion will be done out of the discussions, and the last the person will remain. The team of that person will get the winner's trophy. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start your discussion now. Start.
According to me, world knows English. So because of that, we should make English as an official language.
But today, every student and every teacher is get used to speak with their English language, but they can, but they are forgetting their national languages like Marathi and Hindi.
I don't think so. I don't think so. We forgot our mother tongue. Because if I'm talking if I'm speaking English in office, I can speak in Marathi in my house.
Yes, but we are nowadays we are forgetting our mother tongue and all that like national language, because many times in office and traveling we are speaking only English.
But according to Google, 80% of people can speak in English.
Excuse me. Lots of the time the business depends upon the abroad, and you didn't know the language, then how to speak or how to convince to the foreigner or the abroad.
Due to survey competition, our generation are speaking in English, and they know I am best to all.
India's more than 65% population is youth population. So youth are speaking, so we should make it.
No, this is not disappoint, but more person know about English language, don't know about English language, and 50% only use English language, and 50% only know about English language. Then how to speak with people?
I'm not agree with your point. First thing, the English is a globalization language, and second thing is the all the countries aware about the English.
But you know that Japan and Germany, and there are also more than Japan and Germany, many countries are using their own language. So we should also talking.
I do agree with you. They can use their language, but if they when they come in India, they can speak in English also.
Suppose we were living in India. When we went in rural area, that time we speak English. That time our country people they live in rural area. They feel
Have you
safe.
noticed there is a mediocre?
Yeah. Today topic is the official language.
I know, but you should respect our country.
You
It's
face
the
the-
same thing if we need a mediocre for a translate language. It's
Sorry
the
to
same
say you
thing.
too. Sorry to say, but I'm not agree with you because I belong to one rural sector, and there more than 60% people are using Android mobile.
Out of the.
Because of that.
But
But
only
we
our
are living in India, so we can talk in English. We can talk in our national language. If you go to,
I think our national language is Hindi, and every airline support Hindi language.
And one thing also, suppose you go to the abroad and they want to some presentation, then you to present to Hindi. Is it possible?
yes, it is possible
How
because
is it possible? If I'm telling you, I'll give you 1 crore rupees, go to America and speak in Hindi. Give presentation in Hindi. How is it
yes,
possible?
yes, it is possible. You make in Hindi language.
And I wanted
But
to
it's
say
also
to you,
possible that-
I wanted to say you, we are not making English as a national language. We are trying to make it official language.
But
you should understand it first.
We can speak here in India national language. If you go in foreign country, you can talk in English.
Okay.
But India has got freedom in 1947. So according to the freedom, everyone has freedom to speak in their national languages like Marathi and Hindi. It is not
I
much
think
for.
in India, everyone has freedom to speak their own language.
Yes.
We are not pressured anyone.
And one
Nowadays-
thing also,
nowadays-
when Swami Vivekananda went to the US, also he spoke in English to front of the peoples. And suppose he speak in English, then why should not speak in English?
But
Not official language.
But nowadays very facility that we can translate our language. In India, we can use national language, but if you go in foreign
Okay.
countries, we
If
can.
we
you
want,
mean-
if
you
we
mean-
want to run with the world, so because of that we should talk in English and we should make English an official
Without
language.
English,
Then we
can-
will be
without
good.
Sneha,
English we can run.
Sneha.
Because Germany and Japan go away, go front.
Did you see? Did you saw? Did you see any email in that our in regional language?
No one can,
No, I
no one
didn't
can
saw-
force
I didn't
you.
saw.
No one can force you to. You should be learning.
We talking about
Suppose
you.
you want to
Why
something
we
new
should
in your
make
life,
official
then you should be
language?
learning it.
Yes.
We are keeping Indian people limited because if we made it so that people will be
Everyone can speak.
Finish.
If we should make a better official language English, so we don't need every time mediocre, for translation.
And one thing also, suppose you used to computer, that's why you also type in English. No one can type in Hindi or Marathi.
Yes,
But
we require English, but we can talk in office. We can talk in our national language.
That's what
talking is not matter. Talking is not matter. We are making this an official language.
But
not
you-
talking
but
is
you-
an
Official language or
But there are
convince
many-
to the person. Convince to the person is the matter.
But due to the talking, we can improve our national language like Marathi and Hindi, and we can
Yes,
also
if you
communicate.
want
How
to
say you are
possible?
suppose you want to sell your
I
product
asked one
in
question.
America.
Germany-
So how many people you will say by talking in
I
Marathi?
asked a question. I
Germany
asked a
it is
question.
same thing.
One
Germany
minute.
it is.
I asked
Germany
a
don't
question.
want to
Okay,
learn English or other language.
They are using it when they are talking with
person-
foreigners and they are using English language.
China
They are
also,
not
China
talking
also.
in
Okay,
German
fine.
language.
I
They
agree
can
with
speak
you,
in
but
English.
I
They
asked
can
you one
speak in
question.
And there are
Sorry,
many
sorry.
clients, our client
One
is
thing.
many China's and Japan. They are talking in China, and we
Okay.
should translate this
One thing.
language into English.
I just
This is also-
I don't
The
agree with
the
your
main thing
point.
is that if they are speaking Spanish, if they are speaking Japanese, if they are speaking any other language, but they can understand, they can speak English. That's the most important thing is that.
One thing
English
also,
has-
Yes, I know-
mother
I know
tongue, you
that,
just
but
say that.
we are discussing
You
here
are-
for official language. Not
Yeah. We are discussing for
In
official
official
language.
language.
But you are talking
That's
for
what we are
national
discussing.
language.
National
Don't.
One thing
Both
also,
things are different. You should understand first.
Why
Then you can talk.
why
There
are
are
you
many ways to translate our language.
why are you
How you can share your
It
language?
means we need translator always.
We can keep with us one translator.
Suppose you want
One
to
translator,
say
there are
how it possible to translate when you come with
100
you?
population
Suppose-
in India.
suppose-
Foreign population are not go to foreign.
Suppose you did
But
not
you can give our knowledge to them in
Few
English.
people are go to foreign and very small.
More than 60% Indians are in foreign.
And also one thing, world also
60%.
also
Yeah.
India world is
How much percent present in India? 60% are for.
Mr. Listen, in Dubai,
Living in India.
Wait. If 5% in our home, then 3% are the foreign. It means what? It means what? 30% of my home, the people are in foreign. They're staying in foreign.
But we are discussing here for official language. We can talk in English.
we should make it official language.
That's
By
what
this
we
way,
are
we
trying
can
to say.
educate
That's
Indian
what we are
people.
trying to
We
say.
are back because of that.
No, who told you we are back?
We have one
thing
also.
also.
We have proof.
One
We
thing
are-
also.
Who told you we are back? All worlds know that we are like a leader.
We are leader. We know we are leader. We are leader. But why we are so bad?
And
Because
one thing
of that,
also, you just
we can't compare
you just
to the-
I
you
don't
just
think
say
that we are back.
after some time you just say that your mother tongue also the forgot. How it possible you just forgot your mother? It is not possible.
Yes, nowadays it happen because I am from Maharashtra and my son is learning in Kerala. But so now after 10 years he cannot speak Marathi well.
Suppose you will get job in
Job.
USA. After
USA.
5 years, you will forget your language.
Forget
No,
your language.
it's
No,
not.
that's fact.
We are not discussing
Okay.
foreign. We are discussing here India official.
All right, fine. I think this discussion should be ended now, and I think the conclusion of this discussion should be English should be made an official language. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Only this is the conclusion of this debate, but it is not the conclusion of our all the people. Only this is the conclusion of this debate. All right, are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.